Hey there, today we have an exciting lineup of the latest AI developments that have been making headlines recently. From Google's Pixel 8 AI upgrades to Visa's massive investment in AI startups. Let's dive right into it. First off, Google's upcoming Pixel event on October 4th. It's been generating quite a buzz in the tech world. But what's got everyone talking? Well, a leaked ad by ARS Neil Lupin on X has revealed some exciting AI features in the Pixel 8. As you can see in this leaked video, Google is stepping up its AI game. The Pixel 8 is set to introduce new AI features that promise to take smartphone capabilities to the next level. But that's not all. They're also offering first-party silicone cases in various colors for both the Pixel 8. The popular AI platform Rewind has introduced the Rewind pendant, a wearable necklace that captures your conversations and sounds from the real world. With the help of AI, it allows you to summarize your day.
10 years ago, I first tried a hearing aid and it was magical. To lose a sense and gain it back again felt like gaining a superpower. Ever since that moment, I've been on a hunt for ways that technology can augment human capabilities and give us superpowers. One of the first things I did was start building prototypes of different wearable gadgets and gizmos. Here is a whole tote of them. But I put that on pause to focus on building software for Mac, iPhone, and soon Windows. The app we built is called Rewind. It's a personalized AI powered by everything you've seen, said, or heard. But there is so much more to life than what we experience on our devices. That's why the next step toward our vision of giving humans superpowers is the Rewind pendant. Rewind pendant is a wearable that captures what you say, what you hear in the real world, and then transcribes, encrypts, and stores it entirely locally on your phone. We take a privacy-first approach. So first, only you have access to the recordings, and second, we offer features for you to ensure no one is recorded without their consent. Now you can ask your personalized AI about truly anything you've seen, said, or heard. Head over to rewind.ai/pendant to sign up and put down a deposit for your Rewind pendant for only $59.
Next up, Visa has made a big announcement recently. They've launched a whopping $100 million generative AI venture fund. This fund is specifically aimed at investing in AI startups that have the potential to revolutionize the future of commerce and payment systems through the use of generative AI. Visa is showing their commitment to staying at the forefront of technology and innovation, and we can't wait to see how this investment will shape the future of payments. Moving on, let's talk about Spotify. The music streaming giant is always looking for ways to enhance user experience, and they're currently experimenting with AI-powered playlists. It seems like users might soon have the ability to generate playlists based on prompts, possibly even under a new blend genre. This could be a game changer for music enthusiasts who want a more personalized listening experience. Last, but certainly not least, let's discuss Stability AI. They've recently released something called Stable LM3B, which is a compact 3 billion parameter AI designed for handhelds and laptops. What's remarkable about Stable LM3B is that it outperforms previous 3 billion parameter models and can even rival some 7 billion parameter models. This could open up exciting possibilities for AI applications on portable devices. And there you have it, folks. That's the latest AI developments that are shaking up the tech world. From Google's Pixel 8 to Visa's $100 million investment in AI startups, it's an exciting time for artificial intelligence. If you enjoyed this video and want to stay up to date with the latest tech news, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel. Don't forget to share your thoughts on these AI developments in the comments section below. Thanks for tuning in, and we'll catch you in the next video.